Hey up YouTube, quick video today. I want to do an experiment with this Spider Farmer light. What I've decided to do, because the tent isn't really in use at the moment, so I've set up a little experiment. I've got two typically summer vegetables here. I've got some, sorry the lighting's really crap outside the tent, isn't it? I've got some little gem lettuce, and I've got some of the radish that came with Grow Your Own Garden, the Scarlet Globe. I'm going to put the radish in the little modules and the lettuce in the big modules, and we're going to see just whether there's enough going on between the soil, sort of the water. What I've got is I've got a tray within a tray with a heat mat underneath, which isn't turned on, but it's just part of my setup. Got some water in there. It's still wicking up, but I'll water the tops in as well. And we're just going to see if these seedlings will go all the way through from start to finish. They're both relatively quick crops that sort of ready to harvest in about 6 to 8 weeks. So they should be ready to harvest long before I need access to this tent for things like my chilies. So I am trying to single sow this and I'm aiming for the middle. There we go. Going to sew these up. Water them in. And using this Spider Farmer SF1000, we're going to see if we can grow these vegetables indoors in this tent all the way through the season, or all the way through winter, because it's important to remember it is winter. So I'm going to have this Spider Farmer set up for around about 10 hours on, 14 hours off, 7 days a week, and we'll come back with periodic updates. It really is that simple when it comes to these. It's currently set to its dimmest setting, because if you turn it on full whack and try and work under it, it blinds you. Now, everybody should recognise that these vegetables are pretty much being sown out of season into multi-purpose compost. There's nothing fancy going on other than sort of the magic of being able to give them what is essentially sun in winter. Dropped a seed on that one. So, really quick video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe for regular updates on the progress of this and the other projects we've got going on at the moment. So that's it, guys. So dead quick one. And in fact, I'll probably insert this into another video. Oh no, I'll do it on its own. Dead quick one. So we'll water these in and see how things go. So I'll give you an update on this in, well, let's say 2 to 3 weeks, but as soon as there's something worth updating. So we've got little gem, Scarlet Globe radish. We might as well stick them directly under the light, because there's nothing else in there. In fact, what else I am going to put in there is the black currant cuttings, the ones in the jar. I'm going to see if they do any better under the light, just for experimentation purposes. So that's going to be it from me today, guys. Once again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you Sunday, or I'll see you later.